All right, so let's take a look at the first of the proofs that we have down here. And again, we're not doing really formal proof this year, but we are going to look at building the argument. So in this one it says, given angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary, prove that lines M and N are parallel. So our goal is showing these two are parallel. All right, and this time I'm going to go back to kind of our basic understanding of parallel. So we're really going to work to show that we have a pair of corresponding angles that are congruent. All right, so first thing I notice here is we're given angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. All right, so we'll go ahead and just write that so that we've got that. And we'll even say given this is true. So given we have that. All right. Now we can see that angle 2 and angle 3 form a linear pair, which means they are also supplementary. All right. So at this point we have angles 2 and 3 are supplementary, and we also have angles 1 and 2 are supplementary. All right. Now, since angle 1 is supplementary to angle 2 and angle 3 is supplementary to angle 2, we can actually draw a conclusion about angles 1 and 3. All right, so if we think about, like, for example, if angle 1 was 110, all right, and we knew that it was supplemental to angle 2, all right, that would force my hand that angle 2 was 70. All right, but angle 2 being 70 would force my hand that we'd have 110 right there because it forms a linear pair. All right, so at this point we can say, since both angle 1 and angle 3 are supplementary with angle 2, we know that angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. All right. This means we have congruent corresponding angles, all right, which tells us that M is parallel to N. All right, and that takes us through our proof. So we really formed the argument, and we said that 1 and 2 are supplementary from the givens. All right, 2 and 3 are supplementary because they form a linear pair. All right, since both 3 and 1 are supplemental to 2, all right, we can say that they're congruent. As soon as we have their congruent, that's corresponding angles congruent, which implies parallel lines. And that takes us through our proof. All right, and proofs we typically close off with some type of marking at the end to kind of say we're done with the proof and we've demonstrated what we needed to. All right, so that's the first of the proofs. I'll be back with the others.